A Sero survey revealed that nearly half of Karnataka's population was infected with the deadly coronavirus by the end of August. The study also indicated that at least 44.1% of the population in rural areas and 53.8% in urban areas was exposed to COVID-19 and therefore developed antibodies for the infection. The study, called Prevalence of COVID-19 in Rural versus Urban Areas in a Low-Income Country, Findings from a Statewide Study in Karnataka, India's based on data collected from a representative sample of households in 20 districts from mid-June to August. The study found out that the state alone has 31.5 million COVID-19 cases, with 44% of the rural and 54% of the urban population affected. And it was conducted in a random population for measuring the spread of COVID-19 pandemic. The presence of antibodies typically suggests that people infected with the virus would gain immunity for some period of time. After RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav's claim on Thursday over rejected postal ballots marking the difference between their victory and defeat in Bihar elections, a report states how, according to Election Commission records, only in the Hilsa Assembly constituency was the winning margin less than the number of invalid postal ballots. Bihar's chief electoral officer told the Indian Express that after a request from the Rashtriya Janata Dal leader, all the postal ballots in this seat, including the rejected ones, were recounted and found to be in order. The JDU won the Hilsa seat against RJD's Atri Muni with a wafer-thin margin of 12 votes. From the total 551 postal votes received for the seat, 182 were declared invalid. Former US President Barack Obama said that Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has a nervous, unformed quality about him, like a student who is eager to impress the teacher but lacks the aptitude and passion to master the subject. The New York Times reviewed Obama's memoir, A Promised Land, in which, among other issues, the first black American president has talked about political leaders from around the world. On Rahul Gandhi, Obama says he has a nervous, unformed quality about him, as if he were a student who had done the coursework and was eager to impress the teacher, but deep down lacked either the aptitude or the passion to master the subject, according to New York Times review. Gandhi's mother and Congress President Sonia Gandhi also appears to find a mention in the memoir. The NYT review said in the memoir that we are told of the handsomeness of men like Charlie Crist and Rahm Emanuel, but not the beauty of women, except for one or two instances, as in the case of Sonia Gandhi. Former US Secretary of Defense Bob Gates and former Indian Prime Minister Manmohan Singh both come across as having a kind of impassive integrity, the review states. In 2015, former US President Barack Obama, in a piece in the Time magazine, had described Prime Minister Narendra Modi as India's reformer-in-chief. As a boy, Narendra Modi helped his father sell tea to support their family. Today, he is the leader of the world's largest democracy, and his life story from poverty to Prime Minister reflects the dynamism and potential of India's rise, Obama had said. The former US President had said that Modi was determined to help more Indians follow in his path. He has laid out an ambitious vision to reduce extreme poverty, improve education, empower women and girls, and unleash India's true economic potential while confronting climate change, Obama had said, adding that, like India, he transcended the ancient and the modern, calling the PM a devotee of yoga who connected with Indian citizens on Twitter and imagined a digital India. The profile picture of Union Home Minister Amit Shah's Twitter profile vanished for some time on Thursday night but was restored soon. Twitter has said the picture was removed over copyright issues. Twitter had removed Amit Shah's profile picture in response to a report from a copyright holder. However, the picture was brought back soon after. Due to an inadvertent error, we temporarily locked his account under our global copyright policies. This decision was reversed immediately and the account is fully functional, Twitter spokesperson said, explaining why the picture was removed. According to Twitter's copyright norms, the photographer has copyright over an image and not the subject.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.